Now, people across Southern California have been left baffled by streaks of light that moved across the sky in the middle of the night.
What the hell? It's a meteor shower. Yeah.
Well, it's unclear what caused the light, though people on social media speculated that it could be debris from a SpaceX launch or a module from a Chinese spacecraft, which was due to enter the atmosphere around the same time.
Okay, I'm no astronomer, but that makes sense, doesn't it?
Yes.
Like it could be a thing.
I would have said, oh, it's a meteor shower, just like that man did. That's what I would have thought. It's spectacular anyway.
Some nice pictures for you now, but we don't quite know what they are. People across Southern California.
That doesn't happen often.
No. Normally we try and check it, but look at these pictures. Baffles people in California looking at streaks of light moving across the sky in the middle of the night. Have a look.
What the hell? It's a meteor shower. Yeah.
Or is it? It's actually unclear what caused the light. People on social media speculating it could be debris from a SpaceX launch or a module from a Chinese spacecraft, which was due to enter the atmosphere at around that time.
Makes a change from the rain, though, doesn't it? Maybe not in California, to be fair, but certainly here.
Now, the US government has asked the space agency NASA to devise a unified standard of time for the moon. The White House said it was vital to set international norms as nations and private companies race to establish a more permanent lunar presence. Space scientists say different gravitational forces cause time to pass at a slightly different rate on the moon compared to Earth, and synchronization will be essential. The European Space Agency has also been working on developing a system of coordinated universal time that can be used on the moon and other celestial bodies. The US plans to put astronauts on the moon's surface in 2026 for the first time in over half a century, with China to follow in 2030.
Now, if you've just figured out how to reset the clock on your oven or in your car, all those ones that are fiddly, you'll know the pain of changing time. Of course, clocks change at the weekend, but what about what time it might be on the moon? Apparently, seconds on the moon tick away slightly faster than they do here on Earth.
Who knew?
Who knew?
The US government has now asked space agency NASA to devise a new way of keeping track of time there.
I mean, that's quite an excuse. I'm so sorry I couldn't make that meeting, that event. I was on moon time.
We decided we're on moon time most of the time, aren't we?
Yeah, we get up if it's dark. I think that's moon time. That's how it works. Right.